Hello! Today we're getting together to assemble the Quietfire Cake Slices. And as you can see, I've already done the top on the drippy cake slice, and I'm just going to fold up the base. Now just score along all the perforated score lines. Don't miss any. And then kind of rough assemble it with your fingers so you can see how it goes together and where the adhesive should be. Basically on the tabs, and you can use any tape runner that you want or adhesive that you want. I'm just doing this to show you how it goes together. Just assemble the base here like I'm showing you. And that's all it takes. And now we're going to assemble the top. And it's kind of strange because it's a very strange shape. Just make sure all the perforated score lines are burnished down. And add adhesive to the tabs. And it assembles very much like the base. And that's it for the top. Now you can cut that little decorative piece in any color you want or a pattern paper and pop it on the top. And then last but not least, we have a bunch of confetti. So I'm just going to put each of these pieces of confetti on my glue dots. And there, they're ready to go. How cute is that? Ready for a gift, treats, table ornaments, whatever you want to use it for. And there's two different versions at this point in time, so I hope you enjoy putting it together. Happy creating!